Pedestrian detection in slice value based on time series model. Pedestrian detection is the first step in a large number of applications, such as intelligent video, supplies, driving system, human-computer interaction, military complications, and intelligent digital management due to the difference in light, color, scalar posture, and dress. Pedestrian recognition is a challenging problem. Pedestrian detection in images has a long history. In the past decade, people have greater interest in pedestrian detection. Now we have entered the value civilized society, and value civilized phenomena can be seen everywhere in life. People are increasingly interested in pedestrian detection, in value civilized. The interest of seeing texture is introduced into slice and an intelligent monitoring system integrated identification, position tracking, monitoring, early warning, and management is established in practical application. The system can actually and comprehensively identify the changes of people, object, and environment within the monetary range, and conduct intelligent analyzing to achieve the identification of intrusion behavior. The luminous vertical projection curve of two independent pedestrians is also independent of each other. The vertical projection curve of brightness of pedestrian with illusion also have adhesion. The head of the adherent pedestrian is located at the peak of the two brightness projection curves respectively, and the adherent part is located at the value bottom between the two peaks in the projection curve. Therefore, the directional projection method based on background modeling is using to determine the interest of occluded pedestrians. The region of interest is determined. The workflow of the multi-view data Fuyang model of supervised learning is as follows: image acquisition, supervised feature point and descriptor extraction. feature matching, and finally multi-value image Fuyang. In the process of multi-view data fusion, it is decoded to use meter and annotation to exchange feature points from dataset for the annotation of traditional detection and segmentation text. Given image, the semantic Shandong value can be determined by making the box or the outline of the object. Model pre-training using simple geometric shape data set. Simple shape data set is composed of some images whose features points are easy to determine, such as line, segments, curves. The true values of dataset and the feature points can be obtained by using scale invariant feature transform to extend feature points from basic datasets. Because the feature points of the basic geometric shape images such as line segments and triangles and the subsets of the real image feature points. A primary feature point detection network is obtained by training the feature point detection network using the legacy labeled in simple geometric shape dataset. The input image is processed by multiplied composite geometric transformations, and the sharper parameter is set to IT frames. That is, the super parameter is the original image without position geometric transformation, and the remaining 99 frames are the images formed by the original image, show randomly generally generated composite simple geometric transformation. The generated primary feature point detection network extracts the feature points of the real image dataset, maps the 79 frames of images correspondingly to the source image back to the feature point of the original image and accumulate them to form a new source image feature points, thus completing the feature point notion of the real image dataset. The composite simple geometric transformation matrix learning through self-monitoring is not all useful and needs to be selected. In order to select a composite simple geometric transformation matrix with good performance, Constructed normal distribution is used to sample translation, scaling, implementation, and symmetric perspective transformation within a predetermined range. Based on this, the constructed enhanced future point detection network model is shown in Fig 1. After obtaining the true value of the mapping relationship between the original image and the real image of the dataset according to Fig 1. The automatic annotation of the real dataset is complete. We realize the automatic annotation of the real image dataset that is difficult to label value manually. The enhanced future point detection network is used to train the previously acquired automatically labeled image details to improve the accuracy of future point extraction, future point detection. When detecting the network part of the future point, the future point of the image is obtained through a deep few-channel encoding and decoding network. It can be seen from Fig 3 that the chronological in the feature balance network represents an activation function, and its operation process including convolution layer, page normalization layer, and activation function. For the feature balance network, the inseparable parts of the convolution layer and the hidden layer together constitute the menu component, which use the date feature and the shell features for smaller scalar pattern detection. After the difference between background and the foreground is obtained, the object and the background are completely segmented by binary. The binary processing can eliminate the background retained by the differential processing only retains the geometric range of the background and mainly focus on moving targets. The pedestrian detection method initialize value based on time series model is studied. First, foreground segmentation is performed to identify pedestrian foreground. Then the region of enchanting is segmented and the relevant feature and extracted. Finally, An enhanced feature point detection network model is constructed, and the pedestrian detection is performed by using time domain and frequency domain information and symbol sequence. The comprehensive experiment virus and the judgment effect of the method and increases the authenticity of the math research. Thank you.